Agog! 2 points. Number 25. Pabalikin kayo Biab. Marteha. Tatlo pa sa babay. Rebound by Rolly. Good. 25. Marteha. Ilista mo na naman yan. 2 points. Good.
1 foul.
Rolling. Steve by Ballers. Pabalik. Yes sir. Basket by number 25. Steve by number 25. Nino Ray. Ryan. Fadeaway J. Patay ang puting game. Rolling. Pinasa kay number 4. Steal by number 25. Steal by number 25. Rebound. By Bauko. Alley-oop connection. Agog 2 points. Ballers. Good 2 points. De La Rosa. No good. Lillard. Rebound. Lillard pin nasa kay Tino outside. Number 4. Pina sa Rolly. Libre sa 3. Yes, sir! 1, 2, 3. By Boss Rolly. Ballers. Yes. Score natin 10-7. In favor of White. De La Rosa. Steve by Marteja. Lillard, steal by Baubog. Baubog. Wala na sasabay sa'yo pare, 2 points. Isa na lang ang kalabangan ng kalaban. Lillard. Libre. Turn around din, huli ka ni De La Rosa. Number 4 nagbababa ng bola. For 3. Rebound De La Rosa. Number 4. Fadeaway J is short. Pero nandun. Number 25. Fadeaway J is good. Number 18, De La Rosa. Rolling, isa ulit. No good. Number 25. Rebound by Agog. Ayan na ang bulldozer. 2 points. Lamang na po ang block. Ryan. 4-3! Spinning moves by Baubog. No good rebound by Ballers. Lillard nagbababa ng bola. Lillard. Steal by Agog. Agog with the behind the back. May dribble si Agog. In and out. Pero akin yan sabi ni Agog. 2 points. May kasama pang foul. Bonus Binigay kay Rolly, libre, no good. Baugbog. Baugbog, gusto ay tres. Rebound by number 25. Eto na po, si Parteja. No good. Ballers for three. Wala pa din. Rebound, Baugbog. Baugbog. Pa. 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 Rolly. Windas ay 4. Pabalik kay Rolly. Rolly. Behind the back pass. Hindi sila nagkaintindihan. Alis ko na.
Ang Bluetooth. Kala ko na-disconnect.
Ninugay for 3. No good. Step through. Yes, sir. Basket. Lillard. Basket. Oras natin 2 minutes and 55 seconds. 4 binitbit. Number 25, pinasa kay Ninong Rai. Yes, sir. Ninong Rai Parteja. Hindi Ninong Rai Kayam-Yam. Ha!
One foul.
Ago. Easy basket. Parteja. Fake. Shoot. No good. Baugbog for 3. No good. Marteja. Marteja. Number 25. Number 4, kay Rolly, binalik ulit. No good. Rebound. Ballers. Ballers, nagpapaba ng bola. Ballers, pinasa kay Ninong Rai. Wala pa din. Agog. Coast to coast ni Agog. Basket yan. Score natin 19-22 in favor of Black. 25. Rebound ni Agog. Even. Wow! Marteja! Sumabay ka ba, Boss Agog? Kaya... Tatrayman ka tuloy. Magbabawi. Libre. Marteja, lista mo na yan. Naghahanap ka ng foul. Boss Rolly. Huli ka ni Ballers. Lillard. 25. Pabalik kay Boss Marteja. 2 points. Isa na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Black. De La Rosa. Intercepted by Boss Marteja. Shout out sa police dyan sa labas. Kibin. How? Rolly, naghahanap ng mapasahan. Number 4 for 3. Rebound by Agog. Follow up. 2 points by Kasama Bambao. Oras natin, 25.7 seconds. Basket is good. Last shot. Lillard for 3. Yes, sir! 1, 2, 3 by Lillard. Agog. Agog. Nice pass kay Bobo. Para sa 2 points.